байцгаана үзэгчдээ та бүхэн мэндийг хүргэе. Тэгээд шинэ тоглоом эхлүүлгээд Prince of Persia хоёрын саас тоглох гэжсэн байхгүй юу. Тэгээд нэг тоглох гэж байгаа нь чинь бүр анхных нь ангаас эхлээд технээс нь тоглосон дээр авахаа гэж бодоод хамгийн анхных нь ингээд тоглож байна. Хамгийн анхных нь жишлээ хальтаа юм гэдэг. Хамгийн анхны 3D нь бол яаж магадгүй.
Most people think time is like a river that flows swift and sure in one direction. But I have seen the face of time, and I can tell you, they are wrong. Time is an ocean in a storm. You may wonder who I am and why I say this. Sit down, and I will tell you a tale like none that you have ever heard. Know first that I am the son of Shahram, a mighty king of Persia. On our way to Azad with a small company of men, we passed through India, where the promise of honor and glory tempted my father into a grievous error.
Now, my son.
Your Majesty, I trust you will remember your promise. The Maharaja's treasure vaults lie within.
See how he fights. Like a warrior son.
Тэгэхээр тоглоом нь ингэж эхэлж байна. Хэрвээ та
Do you think I felt regret as I gazed upon the destruction we wrought? Or at least humility at the speed with which a world can be transformed from a good world
за
into
яаж
a
гэсэн
hell?
би бол одоо
If you think so, you're mistaken. For in that moment I thought of one thing only. The honor and glory I would bring my father by fighting like a warrior in my first battle.
За жигний. Сабтитлээ нагаж ирэхгүй бол трейл аа. Энэ болж байна. За болохгүй биш байна. За. Энэ дах ядратай. Тэр зүгээр үучих юм даа саад гэж бодож байна. Ой тэр. За наад жоохон болохгүй л. Тэ. За барах. Яагаад та за анхныхаа хөтөд тоглох гэж байна. За ээж. Тий.
Many men that day sought to win honor and glory on the battlefield, that their king might say to them, as Khosrow said to Rustam, "You are the noblest of my warriors." From the moment my sword tasted blood, I knew this would not be my way. I would win my father's praise, not by killing, but by being the first to find the Maharaja's treasure vault and the wonders within.
За одоо энэ төсвөр багж уусны шаардлага байхгүй хаа. За хотлоо хийсэн юм байна. За энэ дээр чи өхөл цаг хугацаанд зогсоод байгаагүй. Эш. Зүйл хийсэн. Yeah. Да.
Shall I continue my story from here the next time we're interrupted?
За
Done.
тоглоом.
I'll start the story from here next time.
Ерөөдөө ер нь өмнө Prince of Persia ангид
There
гарч
it
ирсэн
lay,
бол ер нь
just out of reach.
энэ тэргээр гүйж
The
мөнгө
dagger of
өстэй
time.
байна тий.
There was a treasure I could carry with pride as a trophy of our victory. If I could only get there.
За энэ яаж яа. За ингээ өрхтөө болж байна та. Бүрэн гэсэн юм уу? Тийм биш үү? Гуана. Яа. За нэг готч тэр дээр байна да. Зүг биз дээ. За хатгалдаг үлээ. Гуана зүүж тийм байна. Oh, yeah.
No, no, that's not.
Тийм бүр утас эхлэх юм болов гэж бодсон чинь. Наа. Энэ түүхтэй газар нууц уу гэдэг юм шүү дээ.
Sand.
Сангал цавцаг хацаадаг болж байгаа юм үстэй.
I had what I came for. It was time to get out. Now.
Шалнаагаар ингэж үргэлжлэж үлээгээ идэм бол. За тэр нэг юм авч байхгүй.
Father, I have brought us honor and glory.
Эцэг батхын аваад өөрийнхөө өвчнийг өвчлөгээд идэв шүү дээ.
My choice of the Maharaja's treasures. That dagger.
Surely you won't deny the lad a souvenir of his first battle. You may have your choice of all the Maharaja's other treasures. Except that hourglass. That will make a fine gift for the Sultan of Azad when we pass through his city. And some exotic animals for his menagerie. And a few dozen slave girls.
Тэр
Yes, that should be enough. I want no animals or maidens harmed until I have chosen. Let it be known, King Sharaman is merciful in victory.
Trust not a man who has betrayed his master, nor take him into your own service, lest he betray you too. I learned the truth of this to my sorrow, the day that we arrived in Azad as the Sultan's honored guests.
My friend.
Your visit
За одоо эднээс ч ингэж явж байгаа нөө цагч байгаа магсныг бүтээгээ арчдаг баха.
only you'd given me time to prepare a proper welcome.
The glories of Azad are famed throughout the world. And yet, the best is yet to come. I give you the sands of time. May the friendship between our kingdoms endure as long as time itself.
The sand, why does it glow?
I can tell you. Inside the hourglass is a marvel that no living man has seen. Alas, only the dagger can unlock the sands of time, and it belongs to a greater one than I. a young prince, dearer to his father than all the wealth of India. Perhaps he will oblige.
За тэгээд
No.
яваалгаж дууха.
No! Stop!
Is it meant to do this?
Alicia Sigataha!
Give me the dagger.
No.
You have unleashed the sands of time. I can undo what you have done. Give it to me.
За одоо стейж
Prince, use the dagger.
заавч ингэж зөвчөж.
Strike with the dagger. Take his sand.
Each time I struck them down, they rose to fight again. I soon realized that only by taking into my own daggers the sands that possess them could I liberate them from their monstrous living dead.
Now, finish it.
Done. I'll start the story from here next time. You think me mad. I can see it by the look in your eyes. You think my story is impossible. Perhaps I am mad. Who would not be driven mad by horrors such as I have lived? But I assure you, every word is true.
Wait!
Мөнөө биш үү? За энэ бол биш юм шиг байна уу?
back!
Биш юм тахгүй. Нэр ч хоолой сэрүүг нэт байх.
The guest rooms, where my father, all our entourage, and I should have passed the night in cold silence. The sands of time had swept through, stealing life and warmth from everything they touched. And I, who unleashed the cataclysm, had been spared. Were there others like me, who yet clung to life, hiding in fear among the ruins? It did not seem so. Had I really seen her? Or had my senses given way under the burden of horrors too great to bear, and conjured up a phantom? Either way, I could not rest until I had found her again.
Хотод ч би нэрийг сайн шуналтай юм биш үү? Ийт шиг явж үзэл. За саяны нөхрөө орно юм даа.
I soon discovered that when I had collected enough sand, the dagger gained the power to stop time. Not for me, but for the enemy I struck.
Одоо юу аа?
Done. I'll start the story from here next time. Whence came these visions that assaulted me thus like fever dreams? Each time I awoke feeling drained and beaten, and each time what I had seen came to pass, as if the sands of time were giving me a glimpse into my own future.
Ишүү юм байна уу? За тэр. Дахин хэдийг авчвал таны нөхөтэй болох шүү. Таны хийсэн нөхөтэй. Ишүү нэг цус үйдэг баха. Ой. Гүү хаалж. Юу идэвлээ? Нишиг байна уу? Тийм биш.
Hello? Is anyone there? I have a feeling I'm not in Azad anymore. What?
За одоо нөгөө нь алга. Уцаж байгаа ч тийм. Яа, энэ яг голтолох байсан юм шүү дээ.
Give me the dagger.
Who are you?
I am Farah, the daughter of the Maharaja from whom you stole it. This is your doing,
I saw my father turn to sand.
and we will share his fate if you do not give me the dagger to undo what you have done.
Your traitorous
Not
vizier
really.
used the same words. From now on, I trust no one but myself. Run! Go back to the reception hall. Wait for me there. Go!
Shoo. За намны шүүний чарт нөө цалга гэдэг байна. За. дахиад хоёрыг авчвал. Иши юу вэ? Зүү оцлогоо явчих. Шив. Буцаа санийгаа оцлог үрдэрч байгаа юм шүү. Оо. Стефан. Яа, тэгвэл аль гэж бодсон. Зараз перезагрузимося. Де я? Ось так. Дякую, ліпше. болноо. За яг 10%. За хэдүүлээ энэ гейм дээр дуусгая да. Тэгээд
Done. I'll
Yun ang
start the
yaman.
story from here next time.
шинэ тоглоомны маань үнэнгийг үзсэн та бүхэнд маш их баярлалаа. Тэгээд дарж ангиртлаа. Өтөр баяртай.